Welcome back, guys. Today I thought I'd do a video that was requested, and basically it was a question about how to remove screen tearing when you're using an nvidia card. Okay, and that question was asked by Paul Caskey. Any tips on horizontal screen tearing and MX Linux with nvidia graphics drivers? So I'm going to go through the procedure that I use when I want to eliminate screen tearing. Now, this is a plain vanilla Debian install. Right now I do have screen tearing, and I can check that through YouTube's tearing test at 60 frames per second. You guys more than likely can't see it, but I've got significant tearing. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Now the first thing that I do, and this is, again, this applies to NVIDIA graphics cards. The first thing that I do is add a startup command which forces full composition pipeline onto your NVIDIA drivers. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to put these in the show notes, but this is the command you'll put in on your auto start. Now this, by the way, this procedure has worked with Mate, it's worked with LXDE, LXQT, XFCE. So I believe as long as you can add it to your auto start, that it will work. Now I'm going to bring up the settings manager. We'll go into session and startup, application auto start, and we're going to add a new one. You're going to paste that command, and that's this one here that I will put in the show notes. You're going to paste that into your auto start, and I usually call it abbreviated screen tearing fix. So click OK. Now in order to try it, you'll have to log in and log out. So I will log out and we'll check it again. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, welcome back, guys. Now I just logged back in, and when I go to the same screen tearing test video on YouTube, my screen tearing has been resolved. No more screen tearing. Now occasionally you will have to use a modified Compton configuration, but in this case I didn't have to do that. Everything works fine. No more screen tearing. So guys, let me know if that works for you. Put any comments into the video. If that doesn't work, then let me know and I'll do a follow-up to show you how to configure Compton to get the screen tearing fixed. But that should work for you, especially if you're using XFCE with NVIDIA graphics. So guys, that is it for today's video. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Take care.